Guys, first you subscribe my amazing channel and follow us and view this video full. In this video you see how to repair the diesel pump and how to repair its brake part and other things, and clear the diesel pump small part and other. Guys, first you see the video highlight. Now the video started and work started on the diesel pump. You see in this video how to repair the diesel pump and the diesel pump part with the help of tools. Now mechanic clear the small part of diesel pump with the help of acid, tail and diesel. The diesel pump have any small part and many small part. You see the mechanic which thing to the small part fixing into the diesel pump and diesel into the small part. Now mechanic tight the small part of diesel pump. Mechanic small part give up to the diesel and give to the diesel pump. Now mechanic spring into the diesel pump. Mechanic tight the spring and small part. To diesel pump or again not brake. Now mechanic diesel give up to the other part of tube axle. These are small nuts. Now mechanic nut give up to the diesel pump and tight it. The mechanical diesel, the diesel give to the diesel pump all part. With the help of small tools and now mechanic tight the all part of diesel pump. Now mechanic tight the nut of diesel pump and give the diesel. The mechanic hard working. Diesel pump are repair and clear in the Pakistan city color car. The mechanic clear with the with the human hand and not repair and clear with the electrical machine and other thing. The now mechanic tight the nut of diesel pump. Tight the nut of diesel pump upper part. Now mechanic tight the small spring of diesel pump. With the hand. It shall be small. It shall be a main part of a diesel pump which turn around the diesel pump and pass the diesel to the car. Now mechanic tight the part of a diesel pump with the help of tools. The mechanic work with the hard working and clear his part. The mechanic tight, you see this part are be the main part of diesel pump. Now mechanic tight the part of diesel pump and clear it. Now time to mechanic give up the seal into the part of diesel pump. So diesel pump are not leak, so it was the mechanic gave up the seal into the diesel pump part. You see the seal is give out to the part of diesel pump. It shall be the main part of the diesel pump. Now mechanic give up the out part of a diesel pump and tight with the diesel pump nut. Mechanic work very quickly. Now the out part of diesel pump is fixing. Now time to mechanic tight the nut of diesel pump. It shall be small part of diesel pump which are given to the diesel pump out part. Now mechanic tight the small nut and diesel into the small nut. Now time to mechanic give to the diesel battery and check the diesel pump to it are successful in the passing of diesel. So its engineer check the diesel pump to it are successful or not. First engineer turn around the part of diesel pump The engineer gave up to the electric machine to see it's true or not. Now mechanic the part of electric machine and fix into the diesel pump to see the it's also flushed into the diesel passing. Now coming soon to the check diesel pump. Now electric machine working starting. You see in which category diesel pump give to the electric machine, and you see the diesel pump start the diesel passing and working starting. Now engineer see the its meter are true or not, and see the diesel passing are same to same other diesel pump or not. Now you see the diesel passing are be same to same, and the it's are be the cause of it's are the cause of the diesel pump repair. And now the diesel pump are be repaired. Now mechanic give out to the UDtruck. It's are be the UDtruck diesel pump, and now mechanic close to the electric machine and give to the UDtruck. First mechanic close the nut of diesel pump. Now the diesel pump are full repair, but it's a small working in the diesel pump are be remain. Now mechanic tight the small nut into the diesel pump. Guys, thanks for you watch my video, and subscribe us the guys. I am from Pakistan, so you have good day. Allah Hafiz.